Every successful graduate has a goal to achieve. Every long journey has a first step in the right direction. This is where your journey should begin, and we'll tell you why. Welcome to the Informatics Institute of Technology. The Informatics Institute of Technology, better known as IIT, is a private university reputed for being a pioneer for higher education in Sri Lanka. IIT has privileged affiliations with the University of Westminster. IIT offers a sandwich degree program of 4 years, which includes an industrial placement year. During this period of 48 weeks, in the third year of the degree program, students are placed within the industry, giving them the opportunity to gain practical experience. IIT offers 3 main degree programs, mainly Bachelor's in Software Engineering, Bachelor's in Information System with Business Management, and Master's in Advanced Software Engineering. Each program emphasizes in methodical approaches in developing software applications and information systems. IIT also offers a foundation program, primary aim of the course being to enable students to acquire the necessary knowledge, skills and understanding to prepare them to progress to the next level of study within the BSc Honours degree program. IIT has many events, the main being Stagecraft, which is a variety show that acts as a platform to both exhibit and develop the amazing creative talents of our students. Additional events such as the annual sports meet and annual cultural events also help make academic activities more enjoyable and contributes to a wholesome university experience. Cutting Edge offers students the opportunity to engage in some healthy competition in designing, developing and marketing solutions related to the fields of IT and business. Truth be told, IIT is an institute that places more value on quality education than anything else. We have fully equipped library facilities, modern computer labs, recreational areas, as well as a study environment ideal for maximizing your knowledge and sharpening your skills. IIT offers necessity, not luxury, as we believe that life is the same. Hence, we believe creating an education environment that instills this mindset within you will help you outsmart, outmatch, and outrun your competition once you graduate. So join us in our journey as we take on the world. Choose IIT, it'll be the best decision you'll ever make.